Hey everyone, you wouldn't believe what I just found. I found a niche, and I'm here to expose it. This is by far the easiest niche you can build a channel around. I'm being for real. I'll provide proof that this niche actually works. Check out this channel called Global Flow. They have about 34,000 subscribers with 82 videos. If we go to their most popular videos, they have multiple uploads that have gained more than 300,000 views. Crazy, right? If you go to the analytics, we can see this channel is making about $5,000 a month. Now, if we check this next channel, Portable Professional, she has over 286,000 subscribers with 466 videos. And if we check her analytics, we can see she also makes about $4,000 a month. She's not only making money from YouTube ad revenue, she's also earning affiliate commissions from the links in her descriptions. She even has an Amazon shop where she recommends travel bags and travel gear. But wait, there's more. She runs a newsletter with over 22,000 members, and you can place affiliate links in your newsletter too. You can really build multiple paths here with the right strategy. Last but not least, look at airport tips and tricks. They started posting about 4 months ago. With just 28 videos, they've already hit 24,000 subscribers. Their top uploads are clearing 100,000 plus views. And if you check the analytics tab, they're pulling around $2,000 a month. This channel basically just launched, and it's already paying. That tells us if we take the time to build this niche the right way. Consistent uploads, smart topics, strong thumbnails, we can turn it into a sustainable business. Here's why this niche works very well. There are high stakes in making mistakes and universal problems. Almost everyone flies. Mistakes cost time, money, and safety. Viewers arrive with urgent intent, which boosts watch time and CTR. This niche is evergreen and newsy. Core rules never die, while TSA airline updates create fresh spikes. Perfect for playlists and timely uploads. This is a very algorithm-friendly packaging. Simple hooks like New Rule 2025 and short checklists generate replays, comments, and saves. Monetization potential. Travel brands pay the big bucks, and you can add affiliate links such as luggage, trackers, eSIMs, cards, insurance stack with high RPM. I'll show you step by step how to create these travel videos. Before we continue, I want to give you a little words of affirmation. Repeat after me. I value my time. I act with clarity. I create consistent momentum. You are building assets, not excuses. And you are closer than you think. All right, let's move on to step 1, finding a topic. Go to your competitor's channel, click the Videos tab, sort the video by most popular. Screenshot the grid of top-performing videos. Open up ChatGPT. Paste the screenshots and copy this prompt that's in my Google Doc and paste it into ChatGPT as well. ChatGPT will give you a detailed list of what's working on that channel. I'll also provide a list of starter topics in my Google Doc, located in my WhatsApp channel, so you have something to begin with. Now, select your first topic that you want to talk about. I will choose 10 airport fees you still can avoid in 2025. Before we head to the next step, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you find this valuable so far. Step 2, writing scripts. You're going to go into my prompt, copy and paste that prompt into ChatGPT, then go to the placeholder of the prompt and type in the topic that you want to discuss. And then ChatGPT will provide a well-written script for you. Step 3, voiceover. This is a very crucial step because you want a natural voice that won't sound boring. But you know I got you covered. Go to 11 Labs and log in. Click Voice Library, then click on Filters. Select your language. I'm choosing English. Choose a natural sounding voice. I'm picking Jay Wayne. Copy your script from ChatGPT and paste it into 11 Labs. Generate the voiceover and download the audio file. I want to also point out that 11 Labs gives you 10,000 free credits, and the voices sound very natural,
which allows you to create unique voices.
You shouldn't have said that! We're 5 minutes away from the drop zone!
Feel free to try it in my description below. Step 4. Create the video. You can add an avatar to mix with stock footage. There are plenty if you search on Google. Edit in Canva first. Yes, I said Canva. The reason why we're going to edit in Canva is because Canva provides a lot of stock videos and stock images, and so we would want to arrange the video first in Canva, then finish in CapCut. Go to Canva and then head to Template, select Video. Upload the voiceover file you generated in 11 Labs. Click Elements. Search for visuals related to each line of your script. Open CapCut. Import your Canva video. Right-click the clip and click on Split Scenes. Go to Text. Auto Captions Generate to create subtitles. Now go to Text and then scroll a little bit down until you see Preset Style and select any style that you want. Click on Templates. Choose an animation style for titles/lower thirds. Add transitions between clips. Try light effect, black fade, etc. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to head over to Apply All and click on that. Apply filters, 8K or any that improve quality. Export your final video. If this video gets up to 10,000 likes, I will create a separate video and a full tutorial on how to use CapCut. Drag and drop stock photos and videos onto the timeline. Don't want Canva stock only? Open Pexels or Pixabay for more footage. Fewer options than Canva, but still useful. Can't find a specific shot? Add relevant photos from Google. Use a mix of templates, photos, stock clips, and text throughout the video. Skip transitions for now, we'll add them in CapCut. Download the assembled video file. Your video is ready. Now the next step is getting people to click. That means a strong thumbnail. Step 5. Thumbnail. Let's make a clickable thumbnail. Take screenshots of your competitors' best thumbnails. Open ChatGPT. Upload the screenshots. Type, "These are my competitors' thumbnails." Give me thumbnail text ideas and what photo or AI-generated image to add for my topic. Review the suggestions. Text, character type, background style, accessories. Go to Canva, go to Template and then click on YouTube thumbnail. Add an airport background photo. Insert your subject image, e.g., a traveler. Improve the photo with filters if needed. Draw a red rectangle at the top. Increase the black outline. Click text. Choose a bold font. Type the thumbnail text suggested by ChatGPT, all caps. Apply an echo effect to make your text pop out more. To make the subject pop, apply a glow effect around them. Add any arrows, circles, or icons suggested by ChatGPT. Download the finished thumbnail. That's it. This is how you go step by step from finding a topic to creating a thumbnail. Now let's check out the demo.
It's 2025 and airports are still sneaking in fees that drain your trip before it starts. Today, I'll show you 10 airport fees you can still avoid, step by step. Stay to fee number 10. It's the sneakiest one, hiding on receipts most travelers never read. Fee 1. Rideshare pickup surcharges, $4 to $15. Airports charge Uber Lyft just to pick you up on airport property. You're paying for the curb. Do this, legal and fast. Go to the terminal curb and look for signs. Hotel shuttles, courtesy vans. Board a free shuttle to a nearby hotel or the rental car center. When you're off airport property, open your rideshare app. Set pickup at that hotel entrance. Order the ride. You skip the airport pickup fee, traffic snarl, and dark overflow lots.
Quick recap. Here's what you just learned and exactly what to do next. We uncovered a profitable travel niche by reverse engineering real channels like Global Flow and Portable Professional, how to write winning topics, scripts, how to create clean voiceover edit efficiently and make the click magnet thumbnail within the niche. You're leaving with a repeatable system which consists of ideas, script, voice, edit, and thumbnail pipeline you can run in a day. If this helped, like this video. It encourages me to continue to make more videos like this, and subscribe with all notifications on. Until the next time, ciao.